Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial I will be showing you how to get your money, how to request money on Wise. So first of all, what I need you to do, guys, is go straight ahead into your application Wise or your browser on PC and search for this website, which is wise.com. So right after that, if you don't have an account, you can just go to register, and you will have to create your account by putting your email and then some information about you, then your phone number, and finally you put your password. Or else you can just log in or sign up using your Gmail account, Facebook account, or Apple account. So now let's say that you have done with this method and you want to log in. So you just log in normally, and that's how your account will look like. So that's how the page will be. Now let's say, for example, that you want to request money. So how you want to do that? You won't send money, you will request money. So click on receive money. Here you choose whether your personal account or business account. So if you have a personal account for individuals, you will choose that. If you have business account like freelancers, sole traders, business, and charities, you can choose this one. Now let's click on personal account. Here what you have to do is literally just put your informations and just pick here the date of birth, country, home address, city, postal code, etc. And right after that, they will ask you to verify these informations by sending them a facial recognition picture and ID card or passport or anything that can give a proof that you are a legal person. And yeah, right after that, you will just have to put who are you going to ask from. It has to have a Wise account as well. So the person that you are requesting from him the money, it has to have a Wise account as well. So after this step, you guys, after he accepts your request, you will be receiving your money right after that. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.